This is very important topic. Add your keyword matches. Keyword matches means your search ad will be how will be displayed on your Google. It's completely dependent by your broad match, exact match, phrase match. Phrase match will be called by flower match will be using for on your phrase. Second will be exact keyword match on your ads. Last will be called broad match. If you match any keyword, any tag, you can show your ad. Now here, where you can give the keyword matches on your AdWords campaign. First of all, select your campaign here. The matches will be eligible for only for search network only. See this one. Select your ad group. Select your keywords. Which keyword they're showing for low search volume. Select it. The keyword. Click for exact match. Now select it. Click for exact match. Now select it. Click for exact match. See this one. They're showing for eligible. Don't click for exact match. They can show you for broad match. Now click here. Select for exact match. Click for exact match. Click for exact match. Suppose your price will be standard keyword. You can keyword enter for as is that time. So they will eligible. The keyword also we are getting for low price. That is search for exact match. One is called low search volume purpose. Second thing is our price will be very getting for exact price purpose. So I'm searching for online trading. I'm searching for something keyword. It's showing for trading. My ad will be showing. So I'm lost the amount. So don't go with the loss your amount. We can go with the exact keyword. Why? Because we can save your money and save your leads. Now here, just back. Always remember the keyword match eligible for individual keywords only. Now just go to campaign, select your other group, select the keyword, select for exact match, exact match, exact match, exact match, exact match. Just select the keyword, select your matches. Is it clear? Just go to campaign structure, campaign. Now select the campaign one. Select your first campaign. Now check. Also, but nothing but Asian Forex broker in India. If searching for broker, they show my keyword. But my keyword is Asian brokers. Even if I'm searching for exact my keyword, can show my ad. Select it. Also exact. Is it clear? Each and every keyword select your three matches. If you're waiting for exact price on my keyword, we can select for exact match only. For getting for save your money and you're getting for more leads on your keywords. This is called select the keyword matches on the Google AdWords campaign that only possible for search network. The keyword match is suitable for only for search network. If anybody asking question, keyword match suitable for search network. Nothing but search network means text ads. We're showing for on Google text ads. Is it clear? This is called select your keyword match on Google AdWords campaign.